Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of So Zen Gadget Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Tranya Rimor Deep Bass, a $49 bud. I love the Deep Bass version because it has 10mm drivers. We're going to go over an unboxing today, quick one, go over the basic stats, then I'm going to go over sound quality, and of course microphone quality will be a feature of this review since I'm recording almost the entire thing using the Tranya Rimor microphones themselves in a dual recording setting. Stick around to the end. You're going to get all of my shortcomings and recommendations for the Tranya Rimor Deep Bass and a sneak peek at all my upcoming reviews.
Well, today we'll be using a Jaguar F-Type prototype Project 7 to just help us understand the size of these Tranya Rimor's true wireless earbuds with 10mm drivers, touch controls, HD audio, long battery life, and environmental noise cancellation. Oh, wow, we have tons of information here. Emphasizes the detail of the music from deep bass, smooth mids to crisp treble. Touch controls, change the tracks, answer the calls, and adjust the volume. Yay. HD calling, high quality crystal clear calls by using environmental noise cancellation technology. Bluetooth 5. Long battery life, 8 hours of continuous playtime, 40 hours with the charging case, and waterproof from sweat and water. IPX5. Excellent. I'm definitely looking forward to this. Charging case, silicone ear tips, 3 pairs, USB-C charging, user manual, and of course you get earbuds. Alright, this slides out. Tranya Rimor. We'll check those things out later. Let's just start with the case. It has a nice feel to it. It's like matte finished. And, oh, it's tiny. Matchbox sized width. Not even much bigger than a matchbox in that height dimension. Well, I guess we should call this the height dimension. This is a pretty small case. There's our USB-C port. And that feels like a magnetic closure, yes. And the buds fit in there nicely, left, right. The lighting is on the outside. Let's see if these can be used. Oh, they're in there, good. How the heck are these in there? I can't get the, okay. That comes out that way very easily. This way they don't come out very easily at all. So I'm going to flash the basic stats for these buds, but this is that shape of bud that I'm starting to really like. It has this extra element here that's designed to rest in your ear, but this piece that extends out from the main portion of the bud, which probably houses the drivers, the 10mm drivers, but it also serves the other purpose of not letting this bud go too deep into your ear canal. So look at that, like this part to there, that's as far into your ear canal as it could possibly go, which if you compare it to almost any other bud, they're jamming into your ear so much further than that. So these Tranya Rimor Deep Bass are a super comfortable bud that do not go back deep into your ear, and instead use those 10mm drivers to really deliver that bass. I'm looking forward to getting these out and testing them out on a run and doing some sporting activities and checking out the bass delivered by those 10mm drivers. I've compared the Tranya Rimor Deep Bass briefly with my current standard for testing bass, sub-bass, and any signs of sibilance, which I find to be a sign of harsh mids and highs. That song is Fifi by Nicki Minaj. All you have to do is listen to it from the beginning to 40 seconds. And in those 40 seconds, you catch all of those bass, sub-bass, and some tough S sounds that would really identify a bud that was struggling with sibilance issues or basically being too harsh. The Tranya Rimor Deep Bass passed all these tests. The sub-bass is there, and the highs and the mids are crystal clear. Then I went on to Came for the Low by Zoo. And from 20 seconds to 30 seconds, just a short clip, I'm really satisfied with the sound stage and the depth of the bass, plus the speed of the transition and the movement of the sound within the stage. Even at volume as low as 16%, the bass is present. And at 25%, the volume sounds good, and it just gets better as you crank it up. And I mean safely, people. Be safe out there with these buds. They are freaking loud. Then, moving on to Sour Candy, Lady Gaga's new song featuring Blackpink. Just listen from 1 minute and 20 seconds to 2 minutes and 20 seconds and take a journey from an intimate setting with Lady Gaga inside your head all the way to a high energy K-pop inspirational beat with the Blackpink girls.
All right, everybody, so what could be better about the Tranya Rimor Deep Bass? You just want extra because it does everything out of the box so well. You want maybe some wireless charging to go along with that USB-C plus rapid charging. Maybe you'd like some kind of an ambient or ANC mode on these buds without losing the capability to do true mono mode. Now, let's talk about what's really good about these buds. First of all, there's not really any occlusion with these buds because they don't really stick that far into your ear canal. So for those of you who work out and when you do like sit-ups or burpees, sometimes with the buds that go deep into your ear canals, you're going to get a change in the tonality of the sound as you compress your head in those workout exercises. You don't get that with the Tranya Rimor because it doesn't really go into your ear canal. This is a very comfortable bud. These buds have tremendous deep bass. They have super clear mids and highs. You can run with them at 25% volume. You get a little bit of occlusion while you run. You can monkey with the earbuds themselves to make it better, or worse, I suppose. They're super comfortable because they don't stick into your ear canals, and the controls work tremendously. They're very, very easy to live with. These are an all-around great bud. Did I mention that they have deep bass as advertised? These things pump out some serious bass. You will not be disappointed. Even in A-B comparisons between this and the X3, the Empower X3, I'm very satisfied with the bass coming from these deep bass. Highly, highly, highly recommending the Tranya Rimor Deep Bass. Okay, everybody, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell because I got some great upcoming bud reviews coming, from the Earfun Air to the Votomy V22 to the Tozo T12 and NC9, and not to mention the Phil T1X, which you all convinced me to get, and I've got it in-house. Stay safe, everyone. Sozen out.